Okay, it's Friday, March 24th. I'm going to buy some SPY 390 calls at 766. This is kind of a midday trade here. What I see developing is the market on the initial move, it just took out the pre-market lows, yesterday's lows. That was kind of anticipated given the red bar. But since then, we've been above the open and trending higher here. We came down to try to take out those lows one more time and then started up, and we took out the intraday high. Then we just kind of paused up here. So I see this market now kind of working towards the pre-market highs at this point. That's why I'm buying the calls here to take that out. At that point, it either pauses and reverses all the way back down, or it pauses and then gives me the 2 down failure day where we kind of get above the midpoint of the prior day and might close this session all the way back up here towards 400. Again, we have the up continuity on the day. You can see if we can get past the halfway point of that, which is kind of the next target, then we could be heading up there. But this is a target where we could fail also and just maybe take out the stops. Either way, buying the calls here, I think we're going to take out these stops and then kind of judge whether we can get all the way up there or whether that becomes a failure point. So that's why I'm doing that. Again, we've been monitoring on the weekly chart how this week's going to close. Is it going to be a big shooter bar, or is it going to end up more of a positive, maybe green bar, especially if we can move up towards the end of the day? So a lot's going to happen on this afternoon, but I could see from here, we're going to likely take out this area. And at that point, you can kind of set up a no-risk trade just to see whether you really gain some strength or whether that becomes more of a failure and you close kind of down here towards, by the afternoon as well. But either way, right now, I think high probability you're going to take out that pre-market high. So buying those calls here, and then we'll see.